And you know, the funny thing is that some people even go for this type of lungs ordinarily. They said it's fukuele gusi, that it has an added value. So the added value is the tubercle. Can you see it? When you eat it, it's crunchy. So, and many times you discover that they even sell it, and the people that sell suya, also it's premium. It's premium quality. So, but it's because ignorance is bliss, as they say. So, if you want to kill a man, don't maim him, don't shoot him, deprive him of education, and he will use his ignorance to kill himself. So you can see this too. And at times, in seminars like this, I've had to cut it into pieces for people to see. From a single animal, I've cut it to 250 pieces each. So about 250 individuals will eat them and come down with TB with passage of time and transmit it to their wives and children in time. And the children will transmit it to school. So it is declared by WHO as a public emergency. So it's one of the top 10 killers according to World Health Organization. So we nip this at the board at the abattoir every day. Christmas Day we were here, New Year Day, because we have to do it. It's our service to humanity. So let the public be aware that when you see something like stones or nodules or tubercles in the lungs, in the liver, or even in the meat and in the lymph nodes, or when you are cutting a meat at home and you cut it and you feel as though you are cutting through stones or sand, you can see the caseous nodule. So it's calcified. But if you eat this, some will say it's ora, and then you would not know when it's inside the soup or the stew with Maggi and the rest of it. So please, this is what we do at the Central Abattoir. Had it not been that we have been here to do this, this will have been passed to the public. And so this is just a few. If the Honorable Commissioner permits me, I'll bring the rest. You see how much work we do every day. So every day we have a whole lot of, this is just from 2, and we may have like 20. So and you will not know, it goes far and near. So this is how it feels like. So when you touch it, sir, touch it, you can touch it, you feel nodules at it, sir. Those are the nodules. And then I want to quickly add that the cooking temperature cannot deactivate the bacterium. You may ask me, if I cook it, what happens? So it's not going to deactivate it because the bacterium lodges itself right inside the noodle. And then no matter how you cook, you fry, you warm, you freeze, or you keep warming it, it will still be there. And with passage of time, people will come down with tuberculosis. There are other things we condemn. I don't want to put my finger on tuberculosis alone. I want to talk about other things, but today is TB day. But these are just the TB lesions we have. Because in a canteen, this should go for like 50 naira or 100 naira. Can you imagine how many of these we see every day? So I have about 102 pictures of our daily condemnations that I can send to you on WhatsApp if you so please. So, mo fẹ́ sọ ní Yorùbá.
Correct.
Àwọn fuku ló wà bí ẹ̀dọ̀ náà wà tó máa ń ní àrùn ikọ́ fée. So kò dẹ̀ síbi tí ò kì í sí lára ẹran. Ó ń wà lára kárò, ó ń wà lára ẹran, ara ẹran gangan. Ó wà káàkiri. Tá bá ti rírú ẹ̀, àwa tá jẹ́ dókítà veterinary, a máa gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́ran. A máa gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn, a máa da oògùn sí, a máa lọ bò mọ́lẹ̀ kí kọ́ má bàa ta fún ará ìlú. Torí ojoojúmọ́ la máa ń ríru ẹran báyìí. Torí bá ṣe wà ní abattoir yìí, àwọn ẹlẹ́ran wọ́n fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú wa. Àjọ máa ń tán bá ti rí pé kò dáa, tá bá ti sọ fún wọn, wọ́n á fi sílẹ̀ fún wa. A máa lọ gbà á. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá jẹ́rú ẹran yìí máa ní àìsàn ikọ́ fée, because torí kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣe tó, kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dín tó, kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbé sínú yìnyín tó tí ó máa pa kòkòrò àrùn tó wà ń bẹ̀. Tá bá ti délé ká sọ fún àwọn èèyàn wa wípé tẹ́ bá ti rí ẹran tó dàbí pé ó ń wẹ́ òkúta tẹ́ bá jẹ, kò kí ń ṣe ẹran tó yẹ kéèyàn jẹ, ẹran tó lè fúnyàn ní àrùn ikọ́ fée ni, bó ṣe nílé oúnjẹ, bó ṣe níbikíbi. Nílé oúnjẹ náà àwọn Haúsá mi náà máa ń tà, wọ́n láwọn fi ṣe súyà, gbogbo wọn la máa ń yẹ̀wò. So ìgbà tí ó sì bómi tán ti ń pẹran, tán bá ti wá pẹran níbí, gbogbo ẹran yẹn la máa wò, tán bá tún ti ń gbé lọ, a tún máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ, a máa tún yẹ̀ wọ́n wò bọ́n bá ṣe ń gbé lọ. tàbá rí ẹni tó bá gbọ́dọ̀ gbé nǹkan pamọ́ sínú àpò kan àbúrò ṣe bákan a máa dá dúró a máa yẹ̀ wò láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́ ẹ ṣe púpọ̀.
orúkọ yín lẹ́kọ̀ọ́
Okay, so I need to ask you a question. How does a healthy lung look like?
Okay.
What should we look forward to seeing?
You see, I just had a question that how does a healthy lung look like? It looks normal. It looks, if you put this is heavy. If you put it in the water, it's going to sink. So that one should float. And then you see that it has even parenchyma, even texture. This one, if you touch it, you may get it. I have a pack of gloves. I think I can give the pressman to wear and touch. I'm going to leave this after I leave here. So once you touch it, you feel nodules on it. Round things, coco, you feel on it. So that is healthy. Tabati rí ẹran tá fẹ́ jẹ tá fẹ́ rà ètò bá ní kókó ẹ má rà á máa kọ́kọ́ fojú wò.